Hi guys, Miss Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 3, Lesson 7, which is talking about being able to measure the same objects with non-standard units to see the need to measure with a standard unit. So, we are going to be measuring with paper clips, small and large. We have used centimeter cubes and we've used a ruler, but we're going to use a non-standard tool like paper clips to measure this highlighter. So you know that the first rule whenever we're measuring is that it has to be the same size unit. So whenever we're looking at the large, we're only looking at the large. We cannot have mixed the large and the small together. Same thing if we're looking at the small, we cannot have mixed in the large with the small. It has to be the same exact from endpoint to endpoint, which I'm going to draw my endpoint now. Whoopsies. From endpoint to endpoint, and this is my endpoint right here. And we can't have no gaps or overlaps, which is what I did right here and made sure that I put them as close together as I could without overlapping them. So first we're going to look at the large paper clips. So let's say how many large paper clips did we use? So we have one full one, two full ones, and now we have a little bit of another one. Now, if it's not more than half of the paper clip, so the paper clip like this should be half of a paper clip. So if it's not most of the paper clip, then we don't count it. Okay, so looking at this, it's only just a little bit. So it's really almost close to half, but I would not actually count this one because it's not exactly half. It's not enough to count it. It has to be enough to be able to count it. So I would just say two paper clips, two large paper clips. Okay, because if it's not enough, we're not going to count it. So it used two full large paper clips. Now let's look at the small paper clips. The small ones are the bottom. There's one full one, two full ones, three full ones. And look at this. It almost uses all of the small, just a little bit doesn't use. So we're going to just say 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it almost uses all of that other small one. So we're just going to count it with it. So there's 4 small paper clips that it uses. So it uses only 2 full of the large paper clips, but it uses 4 of the small paper clips. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.